can visualize it thoroughly. It has a 3D manner. Hello aliens, are you a data freak? If yes, then this video is for you only. Most of you aliens are aware of data visualization libraries in Python like Matplotlib. But in this video, I'm not going to deal with Matplotlib. We from pyiterator come with interesting stuff, as you already know. Today we are going to make a 3D representable graph from data visualization using Plotly package in Python. Yeah, you have heard right. Plotly package. Plotly Python package is a graphical library to make interactive publication quality graphs. So in first we have to just import this library. Before importing, we have to just install it first to our system. So to install it, we have to use our terminal, and in our terminal we have to write pip install Plotly. And if you are not willing to write in that particular terminal, if you are just using a PyCharm, then you can also refer to my video that what actually I'm doing that. So you can just go to settings in PyCharm ID and just go to this add button, and you can just easily write over there Plotly, and you can find here the Plotly library in Python, and you can easily install. After installing it, you can just use this package in your Python script. So we have just installed the Plotly library. So we have just, after installing, import Plotly, and we are also imported a pandas library. Pandas is nothing but it helps to manage the CSV data, and it is very pandas is very much well known about data visualization. It's not about the data visualization, it's mainly used for the data analysis. So here we are just using pandas to, as we know that the CSV file contains a categorical format data, and in this system we require the categorical and not a categorical format. We require a numerical format data. So to convert the categorical format data to a numerical format, we generally use pandas library, and pandas library has also many functions. We are going to deal with some next videos later on. So in this read data from CSV, we are just taking a CSV file. You can just download any CSV file from a kaggle.com. Take it this CSV file from my pyiterator GitHub ID. You can just check it, the link from my description box. What we have did in this PyScript, we have just import two libraries. One is Plotly and one second is the pandas. Okay, and we have just read the particular CSV file, and after that we have in which format we are just want our graph will represent. So we are just put that particular graph in a surface. Surface is nothing but surface is a, you can say, a type of graph, like a histogram. Hist is a type of graph. You can also heard about that scatter is also a type of graph. So surface is also a type of graph, as a 3D type of graph. You can see it later on when we are just going with the output. So after that we are just updating the layout. This updating layout means what actually our layout will be represented, how layout will be occur. So title, as I have just mentioned it, the title will be pyiterator. Whatever title you will give, the title will represent over there in that way only. Okay, so, and auto size equals to false. If you just want to give auto size equals to true, you will just represent it. You can't resize that particular graph in your manner only. Okay, so the width is 500, height is 500. It's whatever width and height you may give, you can give. So figure.so, to just if you just want to just encapsulate this particular script and just get the output, you have to just figure.so. Okay, so we have to just run this script to get the output. So here you can see that our graph represent in a 3D manner. It's normally a surface manner. It's known as a surface 3D graph, and you can see the curves or the edges is respect with the data, whatever data we are just providing with the CSV file. So my data is a city name data with different. I have just taken it from Kaggle, and it's a normal COVID-19 analyzing cities data. This is a output screen which we have got, and so here how our surface curve represent the graph. As you can visualize it thoroughly, and you can just visualize it as a 3D manner. And as we have imported the CSV file as a city, the CSV file contained as cities data only. So the graph edges are somewhat down and somewhat low, because we have just represented the city as the data containing the COVID-19 patients. I have just taken the data from the Kaggle as COVID-19 patients per cities, and how much COVID-19 patients are in the different cities have. So we are just analyzing that data only. Okay, so if you liked it, go and implement in your project with the replacement of Matplotlib, as I don't think that it is a replacement of Matplotlib, but you can use this with a different manner. And because yeah, thank you. If you liked our work, please tap into the subscribe button or get your cursor to the subscribe button. Thank you so much. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you. So we have just thank you so much for watching. Like this video, just go and share and subscribe my channel.
Share this video among your friends and classmates. Hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to pyiterator for more awesome videos. Stay tuned.